Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Redmi 12. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Now in the top search, find Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open this browser. Now you can read through this introduction. I'm gonna skip it. Customize a homepage with wallpapers, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Then sign in to turn on synchronization. You can skip it by clicking on Not Now. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Accept or disagree with a data sharing preference and click on Confirm. Now the browser is ready. We can open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.